Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. So today I am here at Golconda Fort, which is one of the remarkable historical forts of Hyderabad. And coming to the history of this Golconda Fort, then I have to come take you to the 12th century when Kakatiya dynasty was actually at the time of Kakatiya dynasty. This Golconda Fort was first built, and then after Kakatiyas in 16th century by Qutub Shahi dynasty. This fort was built more massively, and that was the time when the fort was built completely at 16th century. So if you go to the history of this fort, this is one of the beautiful and fort of Hyderabad, and it has remarkable history. Also, it's believed that the diamond like Kohinoor diamonds and Hope diamonds are traded here, and which is one of the best diamonds of the world. Kohinoor is actually traded in this Golconda Fort. So if you enter the fort, there is a Fateh Darwaja. There are many darwajas here at Golconda Fort, but the entry of this fort, you have a Fateh Darwaja, which again has a significance that when somebody claps somewhere around Fateh Darwaja, the sound of that clap is actually being heard by 1 kilometer at the top of the fort. So currently I'm at the top of the fort. So it's believed that if somebody make a sound there, that sound is also been heard here properly. You can see that is from there we have started our fort journey. So it's spread it across 11 kilometers. So this fort is spread it across 11 kilometers, and it's a large fort having different views and darwaja, and I'm at the top of this fort, which is again having the 4 different directions showing the different view of the fort. So the first one which I took was the entry gate, which is also known as the entry darwaja, that is Fateh Darwaja. But similarly there are other gates also in this fort, and you can see that today so many people actually are here to just see the beauty of this fort, to see the historic movement of India. So beautiful scene guys, especially in evening. You can see the whole Hyderabad city from here, and how beautiful this looks like at evening. So there is one temple of Lord Durga there, where so many devotees comes. Also, it is believed that there was a devotee of Lord Ramdasu, and who was actually jailed in this Golconda Fort. And there is a belief that Lord Ram himself comes to make him free from here, the jail, and there are a lot of stories behind that. So I was reading around a lot of stories behind this Golconda Fort. Also this temple of Lourdes Durga is there, which is again a significant one, and people comes here to devote the Lourdes Durga at the top of the fort, and we have already visited that. And similarly the fort is spread across 11 kilometers as I mentioned, and this is one of the massive fort. I'll show you from here how beautiful it looks. So there is again a story that there is some secret tunnels are there from Golconda Fort, which actually takes you directly to the Charminar Fort. And those secret tunnels are there, which will, at that time, people used to go from Golconda Fort to Charminar with that kind of secret tunnel. So a lot of stories are behind this fort. So I was also reading that there are different wells in this fort, and since at the time of 16th century and 12th century there was no such electric motors were there to pump the water from the well from that bottom of the starting of the fort to the top of the fort. So there are again having a different design architecture and different engineering which was used that time to pull the water from that bottom to the top of this fort. And let me take you all the way to down. So guys, I'll just let you know that this fort is a massive fort and you have to climb the stairs like anything, and you have to be ready to climb the stairs and climb the rocks. Basically they have cut the rocks to make the stairs, and which will actually take a lot of efforts to come to this fort. Especially we have started around 4 and we reached around 5:15 in evening, but that time the sun was too harsh. But right now the weather becomes moderate and some sort of winds is blowing, so it's making feasible to visit the fort. Also I saw that in the evening there is a night show usually goes on every day, which is known as the light show of Golconda Fort. So this is Lord Durga's temple, which I was talking about, which is at the top of this fort. And similarly I'll show you the other angle from the top of the fort, how it looks. It looks so beautiful, but since it is a massive fort, it requires a lot of energy to come here, especially with the harsh so many stairs you need to climb and come to this Golconda Fort. But really this is a beautiful and historic fort of India, and a lot of histories are behind this fort. So we are at the top of this fort, and you can see how beautiful the Hyderabad city looks from the top of this fort. It's a beautiful fort, guys. One should must visit if he or she is in Hyderabad. Beautiful it looks from here. See the scenic beauty of the city. See how beautiful the city looks from the top. So guys, this is one of the beautiful and historic monuments of India, a fort which is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, and they used to maintain this, and they used to do all sort of renovation thing for this fort. And this is the must visit fort if you are in Hyderabad or nearby place, because lot of histories are connected through the fort. Few of them I have covered, but there are lot many other history which I cannot cover in a single vlog. But when I was reading, I got surprised that so many histories, even the history of Kohinoor diamond is also associated with this fort, and which is really making it a unique one among the other ones. So thanks guys, thanks for watching my video, liking it and subscribing it, and keep liking and keep watching and keep knowing the other facts, and I explore the different thing and different part of the city and world in my next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.